What up, people? Good afternoon, good morning, good night, whenever you're watching this video. But I'm coming back at you with another video on the XJ. This time I'm actually going to be replacing the KSuspension Viper coil mod bracket. As you can see, the original design, a great design by the way, by the guys over there at KSuspensionFab.com. I'm not knocking it at all. It's a great design. You know, very hard plastic, but as you can see, it's broken. I reached out to the guys over there. I believe I might have spoken to the owner of the actual shop, and if I did, you know, great individual, awesome customer service. But I reached out to him, you know, I gave him the order number back when I made the purchase, which was 2019, and I pretty much explained to him what happened. So I mean, my guess is, you know, these engines tend to get really hot. As you can see, I have you know, spacers on the hood, so at least some of the hot air could vent out. But you know, they tend to get really hot, these 4.0s, in this small engine bay. So I told him, I'm thinking it might have been it got way too hot, the plastic itself started cracking, and the rest pretty much was history. Surprised nothing broke as far as like the cables. But today we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. He has the same design, however it is made out of metal, very hard metal. I forget what kind of, oops, sorry about that, forget what kind of gauge metal that is, but very awesome design, very well built. And we're gonna go ahead and tackle this. We're gonna be replacing the old one, which is again plastic, and then we're gonna be swapping this one in. All right guys, so far what I have done, I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. It's kind of difficult when I'm just by myself here, but so far I did take the other bracket out already, to where it would be screwed. As you can see, this would be the old piece of bracket here. It's very broken. But like I said, we're gonna be installing this one. KSuspensionFab.com. Alright guys, so here it is, pretty much side-by-side comparison, identical as far as the way that it was designed. It's just obviously the difference would be plastic, metal. Got this to my front doors from the initial day that I emailed him. In 2 days, got to my house, 2 days. Yeah, so I'm again very happy with that. And yeah, let's get right to it. All right guys, so pretty much this will be the final setup. This is how it looks already mounted with the new bracket. I love the brand new bottle. Gives it a nice, you know, you see the logo nice and clear. K for KSuspensionFab.com. And so again, very sturdy. Just pretty much what I have was like, you know, Phillip head screws, and but again, everything mounted super tight. It, you know, I mean, I'm forcing, I'm moving it, you know, to get it to move. But very sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and just zip tie a few of these cables. Yeah, probably move things around, make it look a little nicer. It's a lot of cables, kind of don't like it. But that's honestly pretty much it, man. Nothing to it, just straightforward. Take some screws out, you know, put some screws in, and that's pretty much it, man. But like I said, guys, you know, I want to thank you for at least watching the video. Even if you watch a second, you know, I just want to thank you. You know, give that thumbs up, like and subscribe. Like I said, any questions, feel free to, you know, reach out to me. Anything you guys want to see, you know, let me know, and I'll try my best to fulfill that. Until then, you guys take care. Stay safe.